Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little fall haul for you guys with all of the home decor that I've recently gotten. It is already mid-September here in New York City and it is definitely getting cold outside. As you can see, I'm wearing a cozy sweater. This is actually Jay's sweater, but I just love the color. I'm wearing my favorite fall lip. I am so ready for fall. It's one of my favorite seasons. So let's just get right into everything that I got this weekend. Also, disclaimer, I know my nails look terrible. I'm getting them done this weekend, so please don't come for me in the comments. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is something that Jay randomly came home with the other day. He went to go get like, I think it was toilet paper or something, and he saw this and he said he just had to get it for me, which is so cute. And it is this little dog. I don't know if you guys could see. It has like the like painting on it. It's supposed to be like a skeleton. It is so cute. It reminds me of, I can't think of the exact name, but you know, I'm having like a brain fart. Oh, Dia de los Muertos, that's what this reminds me of. And I love it so much. I think it's so cute, and this is definitely probably one of my favorite things that we got. The next item is my Virgo candle, as you guys can see. I got this from Target, and when we saw it, we had to get it. Jay is a Virgo. His birthday was actually yesterday. So this candle is basically for him. They also have a Pisces one, so I'll light that when it's March for my birthday. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, and it goes with the home decor that I have going on in the foyer, which you guys will see in the apartment tour. I promise it's coming. But yeah, I think like the gold accents are cute, and I don't have any candles that are all black, so I really like this one. So the next item is another one of my favorites. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with crystals. I have them all over the apartment. So when I saw this, I just had to get it. I hope you guys could see the this like ring light is really exposing it, but it's just so cute. You guys will see it better in the apartment tour, but yeah, we saw this in HomeGoods, and I thought also it would go great with, you know, what I have going on in the foyer. So yeah, we just had to have picked this one up as well. So this next item is our new door wreath. I saw this in HomeGoods and I just had to get it. It has like bats everywhere, and I don't know if you can tell, but the bats actually sparkle. So I really love this. I can't wait to hang it up. Honestly, I was ready to put up all of this fall decor like this weekend, but Jay was like, no, I'm a summer baby. I want, you know, the apartment to still remind me of summer for my birthday. The day after you can put them up. So today is the day after, and as soon as I'm done filming this, I'm putting all of this up because I love fall, and I just can't wait to just cuddle up on the couch, have a candle lit, and just smell, you know, the nice fall aromas. The next item that we got is also from Target. This one is a scented diffuser. I actually don't have any diffusers like these, you know, the ones that come with the sticks. So I thought this was really cute. It's like a little golden pumpkin. Gold pumpkin, you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, and I just thought it would be really cute, like somewhere in the living room. Like I said, I'm excited for, you know, us all cozying up on the couch, watching movies. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. The next item, as you can see, is a big one. This is a huge white pumpkin. It does have some like other tones in there, like gray tones, which also goes great with our apartment. And I just had to have it. I honestly thought it was hollow. So when we picked it up, I realized this thing is actually so heavy, but this would also go really cute either in the living room or also in the foyer. So far everything I got is for the foyer, but I promise there's more things that aren't going in there. So this next item I got from HomeGoods as well, I believe. Pretty sure it's from HomeGoods. We went to HomeGoods and Target on the same day, so you know, things get a little confusing, but this is what I got. It matches the wreath I got as well with like the sparkles. I hope you guys can see on the lantern. There we go. And then inside you just have a skeleton sitting on a pumpkin. So it's so cute, and it reminds me of that movie that I can't think of right now. Oh, The Night Before Christmas. There we go. And I just had to have this. This will probably put in the living room on, you know, the dresser that we have below the TV. So thought this was a good find. Guys, I just realized that this lights up. What the heck? Oh, we don't have batteries for it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that it lights up. Now, in for the big things. I went pretty in on Crate & Barrel. Actually, one of the things I ordered is on back order, so I'll, you know, show you guys that in the apartment tour. It's really just pampas grass, but I really liked the way it looked, so that will be in the apartment tour, like I said. But let me get into all the things that I got in Crate & Barrel. So the first thing that I got from Crate & Barrel, and I just had to have, was this. It goes perfectly with our kitchen, you know, the aesthetic that I have going on. It's this marble wine cooler. So the way you use this is that you put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes to an hour. It gets really cold, and then you put your wine in, like the wine bottle, and then you have chilled wine. And I think it's such a great idea, and we definitely don't have something like this. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, we need this. So the next thing that I got from Crate & Barrel is this cute tea light, I believe is what it's called. But as you can see, it's just, you know, it has a black rim, which goes perfectly with our foyer. Yes, this is going in the foyer. And I just really liked it. It's also mirrored in the inside. And what I plan to put in here is scented pine cones. So I also picked up scented pine cones from HomeGoods. Let me just get them. These are the scented pine cones that I got. They look so cute. There's a bunch of different things in there. As you can see, they have like gray tones, cream tones, browns and silver, you know, more like muted tones. And I figured it would just look perfectly inside here. Actually, I'm gonna put them in here right now. It's called White Pumpkin Cashmere. So if anyone's looking for it at HomeGoods, that's the name. You know, I love HomeGoods, but sometimes it's just like, you know, when I make these videos, I'm like, if someone wants to go and find it, what if it's not at their HomeGoods that they have, you know? But, you know, HomeGoods just has everything. Like, anytime I'm looking to decorate or for some inspo, I always go there. And another tip, they have really inexpensive and still good quality kitchenware. So like pots, pans, all of that, I get almost all of mine that I have are from HomeGoods, so definitely check that out. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow, I'm really happy I got this. So I put a bunch inside here, and as you can see, it is pretty full. I love the way it looks. I think it's so cute. But I still have so many in here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll get another one of these and put it in our room. I think that would be really cute, so yeah, I think that's definitely what I'm gonna do. But I want you guys to see like a bit of a close-up of what they are. This kind of looks like a rose, I guess. And then these are some of the pine cones. And then there's just other stuff like this in here. And then actual like little, looks like little acorns. So cute. But yeah, I really love this. I think it's so cute. You know what? I was thinking maybe I can get a jar and put it in my room. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm sure you guys have never seen someone get so excited over home decor. Probably not. You guys ready for this? I really feel like you guys aren't ready. Look at how cute! We were in Target and we saw this and we're like, oh my gosh, Nala would look so cute in it. It's a little butterfly and has a little hat here that she could wear. I am so excited for her to wear this. I already showed it to her. I didn't put it on her yet, as you can see, but I showed it to her and she was so happy and like so obsessed with it. Like every time she comes in the room, because I'm keeping it in the room, she automatically runs to it and wants to put it on. So I'm really happy we got this. And then, of course, we got one from Mr. Simba. This was, Jay chose this one. He's a little astronaut. Like, look how cute this is. An astronaut with a spaceship. I'm not sure if you guys could, you know, understand how it's gonna look on them, but that's how it looks on the picture. And I just thought these were so cute for them. Simba also loves his, so I think they're gonna look absolutely adorable this Halloween. Okay guys, guys, so that's everything that I got so far for fall. Of course, I will definitely be getting more. This is just, you know, sort of a pre-fall haul, I guess you could say. I'm so in love with everything that we picked up, and I can't wait to see what else we end up getting. But thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time.